front of me is Honor View 20, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to Access Privacy. Then click on Permission Manager at the top and click on one of your device's options that you wish to manage. Now tap on one of your apps under one of those categories. I will go with Amazon Shopping from the night one. Finally, apply the best option for you by clicking on it. Camera access for this app, allow or deny. I will go with allow, so when I tap and go back, I can see that my app just gained access to this device's camera. You can also select any feature and look for an app that you wish to manage instead. I will go into Location to access my Chrome. Now select See All Chrome Permissions at the bottom of this list and manage all of those options only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!